I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this Tuesday afternoon. It is March 17th. Boy, it is a beautiful day outside as we record this at around 2:30 in the afternoon. A few fair weather cumulus clouds here and there, but a lot of blue in the sky and a lot of sunshine as we take a look around the network on our Cook's Auto Body Cam in Uptown Normal. Even more blue sky over in Galesburg, Knox County, looking great on our Stephen Fittis McGill and Associates cam. Pontiac looking good as well over in Livingston County. A little breezy with those winds coming out of the north. Not nearly as windy as where we were yesterday. And heading over to East Peoria, looking downtown. Beautiful shot of the skyline on this Tuesday afternoon. Everything looking very nice. Temperature's pretty pleasant. In fact, average for this time of year for most areas. It's a little cooler to the north. It's 58 in LaSalle, Peru, and 59 in Kewanee. Everybody else into the low to mid-60s, and normal high for this time of year should be around 64. So we're looking pretty pleasant across much of the area. 64 in Indianapolis, 70s right now in western Missouri and into the Central Plains, Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma as well, sitting in the low to mid-70s, so still quite pleasant across the area. A little bit cooler off to the north, though, only in the mid-50s in Chicago, mid-50s right now in Detroit as well. Here's what we have going on radar and satellite over the last couple of hours. Some decent rains going on in extreme southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, much of central Mississippi and northwestern Alabama, and southern Tennessee. That system is continuing to stay well to our south and will move to the east. High pressure in control, very clear across the Midwest into the central and southern plains. So we'll keep it quiet as we head through the overnight tonight and into at least the first half of the day tomorrow. Again, more frost advisories and freeze warnings for northern portions of Indiana and much of Michigan as well. Not untypical for this time of year. And also a few weather advisories right now in central Alabama with some of those storms that are forming. Not going to be looking at real high severe for them. May see some stronger storms out in the Carolinas later on this afternoon. Here's what we're looking at on Futurecast over the next few days. A couple of waves that will bring us some rain chances starting late tomorrow night. Cold front will just stay to our north. It looks like overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then another low gets a little bit closer to us by Thursday night. And that will give us a chance for some showers and some thunderstorms as we head into our Thursday evening, into our Thursday overnight as well. As of right now, not looking at anything severe across the region, but could see a few garden variety thunderstorms and some much needed rain on the way, hopefully as well. We're still running about almost an inch and a half below normal for the time period dating back to March 1st, although we picked up about 3/4 of an inch of rain on Sunday, so that certainly helped the drought situation. Longer range models are keeping us pretty dry over the next 8 to 14 days, though, so that's not great news, especially for farmers. Here's our high-resolution model Futurecast. Again, first rain chance will be late night tomorrow night into Thursday morning for much of the Illinois River Valley, maybe closer to a rainy commute for Thursday morning for those of you along the I-55 corridor. So we'll hold off rain chances until early Thursday morning for you down towards the east. And then again, those rain chances sliding in for Thursday, late afternoon into the evening and overnight hours. And that will continue, it looks like, overnight Thursday and possibly into Friday as well. We're also going to see cooler temperatures on the way. You'll see this here on the longer range model. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, long range model temperatures. And watch what happens here by the end of the week into the weekend. Big trough and upper level low that will scoot down to portions of Mississippi and Alabama, bringing very cool temperatures as we head into our Friday, Saturday, and Sunday across much of the Midwest. We'll be in the mid-70s for Wednesday and Thursday, dropping back to the upper 50s for Friday and Saturday, and near 60 on Sunday before we rebound pretty quickly. You can see a nice ridge building out into the Rockies, and that will be arriving our way by, it looks like, midweek next week. And we're in for a quiet weather pattern, it looks like, for the long term next week, and more milder temperatures back to the low to mid-70s. So hopefully we'll get some much-needed rain here. Most models indicating we're not going to see much more than 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Not great, but at this point we'll take what we can get for the extended period of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even into early Saturday morning. That'll do it for this weather webcast on this Tuesday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog. You can check that out at centralillinoisproud.com/weather. You'll see the blog link at the bottom of the page. We'll also have updates on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us for WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Tuesday evening.